Find the best jigsaw at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best jigsaw on the market. Number 5. PorterCable Peace EC 650B 20V max bare jigsaw. As well as its extremely affordable price, the PorterCable Peace EC 650B bare jigsaw is one versatile cutting machine. PorterCable have designed this sturdy, compact jigsaw to be used for a wide range of applications, and it excels at making precise, clean, and accurate cuts in a variety of materials like wood, plastic, and metal materials. For absolute operator control, the jigsaw has a 3/4 inch stroke length to fit a lot of different material sizes, 3 orbital action settings, and a variable speed trigger that allows for low to high speeds from 0 to 2500 SPMs, and the beveling shoe has the ability to cut from 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts. Pros and cons. Pros: great value for money, excellent price, 3 orbital settings. Cons: battery sold separately. Number 4. DEWALT DC 330K 18V Ni-Cad Jigsaw Kit. The DEWALT DC 330K jigsaw features a unique design and a highly versatile cutting ability, which makes it a great choice for all types of DIY projects, as well as offering you a greater level of maneuverability as it is not attached to an electric power cord. Its powerful 18V Ni-Cad battery has loads of power, and the wide variable speed range is up to 3000 SPM, giving a very good level of speed adjustability. The jigsaw kit includes the jigsaw, and 1 battery and 1-hour charge, and DEWALT offer a very generous 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely good value for money, well designed, highly versatile. Cons: no LED light, battery power does not last very long. Number 3. Makita 4351FCT Barrel Grip 6.3 Amp Jigsaw. The Makita 4351FCT Jigsaw features cutting-edge technology and design that provides you with a high level of control, accuracy, and versatility, which makes it great value for money. The corded electric Makita-built 6.3 amp motor can provide you with industrial strength power, and it has a good 1-inch length of stroke and a wood cutting capacity of 5/5/16 inches at 90 degrees and a steel cutting capacity of 3/8 inches at 90 degrees, which means that cutting through all types of material is effortless. Pros and cons. Pros: solid cutting performance, great value for money, powerful 6.3 amp motor. Cons: T-shank blade only, difficult to maneuver in tight spots. Number 2. Bosch Jay S572X 7.2 amp barrel grip jigsaw kit. The Bosch Jay S572X barrel grip jigsaw kit is the perfect choice for the serious DIY enthusiast. The Bosch name is synonymous with high-quality power tools, and as this jigsaw is manufactured in Switzerland, you can expect an excellent cutting performance. The 7.2 amp motor is very powerful, and the built-in aluminium gearbox has an insulated cove for ease of use for even the most challenging tasks. The jigsaw kit also includes 1 non-marring overshoe, an anti-splinter insert, 3 jigsaw blades, 1 bevel wrench, and a carrying case. The jigsaw is covered by a 1-year warranty, and Bosch also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year service protection plan. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent value for money, outstanding cutting accuracy for cutting curves and 45-degree angles, high quality design. Cons: does not accept U-shank blades, adjusting the base angle can take some getting used to. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BDEJS600C 5.0 Amp Jig Saw. With new and improved technology, a powerful engine and loads of user-friendly operating features that are designed to give you cutting control and versatility, the BLACK+DECKER corded electric BDEJS600C Jigsaw has everything you need to complete your DIY or carpentry project. The Jigsaw has a strong 5.0 amp variable speed 120 volt motor that can generate up to 3000 SPM of cutting power, so it is an ideal cutting machine for heavy-duty tasks. Pros and cons. Pros. Very affordable price, high quality, powerful 5 amp 120 volt variable speed motor. Cons. Does not work well with thick hardwood blade, can shift at higher speeds. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.